Here we have the Bose Companion 2 Series 3. These are a multimedia speaker system for computers. Looks very cool. We're going to go ahead and open the box and take a look here. Here we have this basic Bose commitment to the consumer. With that, Companion 2 Series 3 Multimedia Speaker System, all nice and sealed, everything you're gonna get. Alright, we got a cable here, and looks like this is just a standard just computer speaker cable. You can see that, nothing fancy. Alright, let's see what we got here. This stuff. There we go, and this should just fold out. There we go. Take a look here. Here we have a power adapter, it looks like. So let's go look at what the speakers look like. Not as heavy as what I thought they would be, actually. Bose is pretty notorious for having fairly heavy speakers. Let's go and see what the other one looks like. This packaging causing lots of noise here. Alright, so over here. Take a look. Alright. Nice knob. Got the headphone jack on the front. We got the speakers all set up here. Here's a left speaker, the right speaker. All the plugs go into the right speaker. You can see on the back here that we use up all the plugs right here. The top one is to the left speaker. The middle one is to the power. The bottom one is from the computer. The other middle one here is the auxiliary in, which we are not using. There are no LED lights on here, so you can hear it click on or off. We're gonna go ahead and turn it up, and I have it hooked up to a Pandora app here so we can listen. That was about 3/4 volume. It sounds very good. Well, that's it. The Bose Companion 2 Series 3 Multimedia Speakers.